Hey, good afternoon. This is Michael Mock. I am here with our Mountain View bathroom remodel for working with CNC Designs. This is Lisa Cross and Gemma Clark. Anyways, so we're in the bathroom. This is a zip wall as what we do to keep the dust out. I just want to talk to you guys about several things. We talk about just job cleanliness, also like the keeping the dust clean out by using a HEPA filter. But also this week it's week 3, so we are doing waterproofing. So I want to go through several things that we do for waterproofing just in detail so you understand how we waterproof the shower wall. Okay, so let's turn this around, and okay, first thing you notice, this is our Build Clean big R2D2 style HEPA filter. It is on automatic, as you can see. I'm going to zoom it in. You see that there is a unit status, pre-filter status, HEPA filter status, dust sensor. It's on, that's the meter, hour meter. That's just to keep track of when we need to switch the HEPA out. It's on auto, so the auto mode is great because it detects the amount of dust. So as we wind back out, I'm going to go to focus on the waterproofing. The waterproofing, we are now about 1 week, actually less than a week from the city's waterproofing inspection. This week we passed what we call all trades inspection, which is to look at mostly all the stuff behind the walls. So that would be your plumbing pipes here. This is the plumbing pipe. Your rough inspection here for the shower valve. This is a Hansgrohe iBox unit. And also our electrical. So there is some rough electrical that was in here, and HVAC. That's the fan, electrical. It's all in. So let's talk about waterproofing. So in this example, you see that we've put some flashing around the window. That's flashing. This is the fortified flashing, and we've also built out some custom. These are custom shampoo niches. This is one way of doing it. There's another way, which is we buy ready-made shampoo niches. We use the fortified flashing. On top of this, we're going to put, after the waterproofing inspection next week Tuesday, we are doing a layer of Den Shield. This is an example of the Den Shield. This is just a thin piece. As you can see, this is Den Shield. This is a waterproofing membrane. This is the newer form of sheetrock, which has a, as you can see, there's a waterproof layer on there, anti-mold, and this is the side that is going against the wall. It's a different type of sheetrock. So basically a waterproofing sheetrock. On the floor here, we have a membrane-based. This brand is Ote. It's the shower pan liner. It's really critical that this is the brand. There's several other brands like Noble Seal. That this is a vinyl membrane. You notice that we have stapled it up here. We have to staple it. We cannot staple it below this point because at this point the water will run off and it'll drip down here. The other thing is, since these here, as we cut the corners to wrap around the curb, these are the inside corner pieces. We have to reinforce all the cut joints that happen to wrap around here. So we have that. This goes with a special silicone. This will be reinforced. So that is on both ends of the corner. As you can see, there is the drain. This is a little bulb that we're going to do. We're going to do a waterproof test. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill this shower pan up with water, and we're going to let it sit usually 24-48 hours. That's really critical because just remember, we are on the 3rd floor of this home in Mountain View. So being on the 3rd floor, it is critical to waterproof it. The other areas, if you notice that we brought the vinyl membrane out, that's part of the code. Wrap it around, and we will have that area to be waterproof, so that if for some reason people step in and out and it brings the water out, it's not going to seep to the the floorboard below, which is the plywood. So these are the walls we're going to waterproof. We're going to water the top of this pony wall, waterproof this side with Den Shield, of course everything around the window, everything out here, and so forth. Another thing I want to bring out talk to you about is just a quick thing about tile design. We have a question for our design team, just to get clarity, is that we're probably going to bring out the tile here, and we're going to bring this, align this out with here, so bring it out to here, and then have our wainscot wrap around here. But we are going to wait from our designers, CNC, Lisa and Gemma, to get direction from them. So hey, thank you for watching this week. I just am glad you're here to watch what we're doing at Bridges MR. I'm Michael Mock. Want to wish you guys a happy weekend, and I'll catch you guys next week on another video update of our projects. Thank you.